Okay, guys, I know we said we were gonna do the hat, but I have a work project. This is a chuck. It holds some parts at work. Three jaw universal chuck. So we need to bring the overlay up. Transform. I need to bring you up a bit. Okay. So we're gonna simple tap to go there. Do this. We're going to do some trimming. You can probably hear my son's tablet in the background. Trim that. Trim that. Trim that. Oh no. Let's trim you right here. Let's turn symmetry off. Got that. That. Okay, now let's go polygon. Let's go here, here, here. Let's do that, that, that. I wish it wouldn't curve it. Let's bring that in a little bit. And then, let's go ahead and get rid of that. Got that there. I will be 3D printing this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Kind of would help, but it's not gonna be. Okay, let's look at that like that. Got that. So we're gonna go bottom here, mask, cell mask, actually rectangle. And we're gonna go front. Gonna go gizmo and expand it a bit. And we're going to shrink it down because it doesn't need to be very tall like that. Do that. Do that. That should work.
Daddy, I got him.
What, bud?
I got him.
You do?
Daddy.
Apparently my son has him. I don't know who that is. Alright, that's gonna be... I am gonna try to 3D print this. So we're gonna go here. Careful, don't fall, bud. Oh no! You got me! He's got me. Uh-oh. Do this, trim it flat. Oh, I need to clear. And then you got my leg again. Yeah. There we go. So let's turn the opacity back up, or the overlay off. It looks, ooh, that looks janky. Let's remesh it. Let's see how that goes. I need to clean some of this up. And then, I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, geez, dog. Dog's hitting the door.
Jade.
Darn nabbit, Jade. Woo! You're gonna fall off the couch and bang your head, bud. There we go. So now we're going to go export as STL. That's not what I want, because that was yesterday's, supposed to be today's video. Oh yeah, I didn't save that one, so I got to redo it all. So we're going to do plug save.stl. And then while we're at it, we're going to make a vid or that. No. Plug there. And then save as positive plug. Ah. Ah. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Maybe I'll upload I can't do posts yet. Maybe I'll upload a short video tomorrow about it. I'll see you guys in the next one.